So we will explore the continue mode option. Okay, so to enable the continue mode and to print from that, the first requirement is to have the external encoder. Okay, so first we will enable the continue mode. Okay, and also make sure that in the mode your encoder should be selected, right, and external encoder should be connected. Okay, now let's understand how to give the delay. Okay, so first we will take a print. Okay, and check the print position. Okay, so this is the first print and that is how it is printing continue. Okay, so this is the first print, this is the second, this is the third and the fourth. Okay, now say for example if I have to increase the gap between the prints, so we will go to the setup. Okay, and then we will change the pulse. So by changing the pulse, what you are doing is you are increasing the gap between the prints. Okay, so now let's take another print. Okay, so now you can see the gap between the print has increased, right? But the another thing is that we have to understand that the initial print or the first print has shifted. Okay, so depending upon the gap that you are going to enter, your first print will also shift. Now what you have to do, if you have to print from this position, okay, and you also want this gap, you have to so what you have to do, you have to just come here and increase the distance from the external sensor to the cartridge. Okay, so this is the distance that is right now. Okay, what you have to do, you have to put this sensor little this side. Okay, so your sensor should be here so that your initial print should shift to this direction, to the right side. Okay, so that is how you need to manage the print position in the continue mode.